Beautiful morning. The Sweetwater Sea Bed and Breakfast. It's actually afternoon, not morning. And we're going for a walk. Had a lot of big waves the last few days and rain. Smoothed the beach out really nicely. I think the waves brought in sand this time. Seems like it anyway. Here's the fallen tree. All these little streams that come down are all smoothed over now. As we come up on the steel sculpture, you can see the waves are coming up to the tip of it, and it's a lot of sand, pretty deep sand. The wave made it up pretty far. Rocky Point, all covered with sand. Not nearly as rocky as it has been. So now we're at the pine tree, and around this corner is the tiki bar. We'll see how things have changed down here. It looks pretty sandy. Nice and sandy. There's some rocks. It's usually like that the whole way. Oh, somebody's been out in bare feet. Must be getting to be spring. That's a 1 mile mark. This is a 1 1/4 mile mark. Arching tree. This is a 1.5 mile mark. This is interesting. That is about 1 3/4 miles. Alright, these are the houses on the cliff. So this is 2 mile mark. Somewhere down there is our marker tree. I love where I live.